With Sound Deluxe Car Audio, we're here doing our installation on the 21 to 23 Tesla Model Y. This is going to be the full SoundSkins kit for the rear, and then we'll go and we'll do the front one once we're done with this one. This is a pretty intricate kit, so you're definitely going to need to remove all your side panels, subwoofer and amplifier if you have that. The majority of the panels just clip right in. If you do need to take some panels apart, the tools you'll need is a T15, a T20, a 10 millimeter socket, deep well to get the amplifier and things like that out, and then some other tools in the front, but we'll talk about those once we're all done. So we're gonna start right now doing the install. It's gonna cover this section here behind these pieces. You can see we have that foam just folded forward and then a heavy weight on it just to keep it in place. If you just do this, it's a lot simpler. Otherwise, you're gonna have to remove the whole back seat. So side panels off, all your trunk well off, everything like that. Again, we're gonna be doing the floor here, the sides here, the wheel wells here, the inner side panels, and those are done in two pieces as well. And then the trunk well right here as well. So let's get started. So we're gonna start with our trunk well piece first. I recommend putting in the bottom piece first, and then we'll wrap around the edges, and those are done in two pieces. Now obviously you want to make sure the car's dust free. I'm sure it will be, it's pretty brand new. But if it's not, it's always helpful to clean with isopropyl alcohol or like a window cleaner. And just make sure it's dust free and grease free. These are our trunk well pieces, and they start on the sides. And it's basically a straight line right into the middle, and then you'll start your wraps around. Put these pieces in, there's a body line, hard line that's right here. That's where that piece lines up with that hard line, and then you can see it tucks back in this triangle right here. So that's your first point of contact, is on that body line up there for this upper piece. It's not a bad idea to test fit these pieces and orientate yourself with them before peeling off the backing, just so you know where they go to. This piece should butt right up against the bottom of that other piece on the inner fender well. Another install technique that helps really if you peel off the backing is folding it in half like this, so you can get it installed in there without it touching itself. This should go all the way to the very back. So this is going to be our outer fender well piece that's going to go up behind the corner, adjacent to the charging port and the module that's installed in there. we're doing the install on the Tesla Model Y 21 to 23, and this is going to be the rear seat section as well as the front seat section. You're going to want to remove your door sills all the way along, also the upper B-pillar and the lower B-pillar. The lower B-pillar has a T20 Torx screw in it, and then it will release, so you'll remove the top pillar and then you'll remove the bottom one after you remove the screw. Everything else is snaps. Once those pieces are all off and your door seals as well, then you're going to start on the carpet kit. It's all plugs all the way along. You will have to remove the one piece in that center console down there. That plastic piece will pop off and then it'll reveal another carpet keeper. Once those are all done, then you're going to want to unbolt the seats. Start with sliding the seats forward, then unbolt the Allens. There's 4 of them all the way around. So slide it forward, it'll reveal the back 2. Then slide it backwards, it'll reveal the front 2. And you don't have to physically remove the seat, you just need to lift it up enough to get the carpet untucked. Underneath the seat rails, when you lift up the seat, there's also another clip that keeps the carpet in. So you'll remove those, and that'll allow the whole back kit to come out. And then as far as installing the kit, it's very simple. It's 2 pieces right down the middle. They line up on the body lines right there. Stick them down, and then you can put your carpet kit back in, and then you can move to the front, and we'll talk about that when we get up there. Easy to remove as well as the panel that's up top right here, the little crush panel that goes up top. You want to remove that on both the driver and passenger side. Passenger side is just clips. The driver's side has a T25 Torx bit, 2 of those, and then a couple other keeper clips as well. So here's the front pieces for the Model Y. This is going to go in the very front, and they'll both line up together. The other side's exactly the same. And then here's the back side, where basically your feet would go. And this lip will fold up about 1.5 inches or 2 inches, about like that. And that will be your back section. And this is going to be underneath the vent. The passenger side, you will need to remove the vent a little bit. And then to get the carpet kit out on this, it has one hidden carpet keeper in the center console. So you're gonna need to make a very small 1-inch relief cut in the carpet kit, and we'll take pictures of that. That's the only way you're gonna get that kit out, unless you remove the whole center console. So we're gonna do the install right now on this, and then we're good to go.